Welcome back to Coloring Book TV, guys. I don't know so what the next movie when name what's next. You see me? What you to do is like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, run come over here, so the big bad movie them over here. So Papa Dan, what you have to say?
Yeah man, so as Brittany say, one of just continue stay tuned for each channel. We'll eat more movie forward. And this a movie like me I try to push out a great storyline for you to understand. You know them some of them things are going on in reality. So I just push the story forward, make you see what go on. You see me? So continue stay tuned, and as I say, Coloring Book TV, we do donation. So if you want to donate anything at all, we appreciate it. Just link your number up on the screen. 7992758. That's my number. And if you don't want the promotion, you see me, against any business you want to have, you see me, we do that also. So link the number right here and we tell you more details. So stay tuned for all it more movie. And remember, go over a couple channel, Brittany and Poppy Dan. You know where I go. See the little already? See your jinky and them something?
Jinky already, but we never eat nothing.
So you don't want nothing to eat. I asked you this morning if you want something to eat and you say you don't want it. So you know you say no.
You have no appetite.
You don't look up this my day. You know, so you feel like a mummy do because see some mummy that I cause yourself to go look boss in the film and then one of the things say you have appetite. That's the same thing.
So you got like
So what you plan to do now, you know?
boyfriend, how are you from?
Boyfriend come over?
Yeah. Nothing with it?
No.
Oh. See you now.
How they going?
Then,
I see you look sick from arm to you.
come in feel good. Let's go in the room. So come.
Alright.
Alright, now I got a shot for there.
Sister, nobody with that man. You know, something I like what you say, man. Every time your boyfriend come here, send me out or something.
Shots all over.
Me know what you want to do, you know? You know, say you not rate me as a brother do.
What do you mean me not
Because
rate you?
that the man they have sister. Why you not give me sister to go and enjoy himself with when he come over here while you not enjoy himself? Every time your man come here and want to send me out, you not rate me.
Yeah. Just go
See
on.
me have my food done hot up in my microwave.
Alright, I'll give you money to go buy drinks to eat with the food. You want that?
Yeah, give me money, can you not rate me?
Yeah, money in your pocket. Just buy it. Me
I
give
say
you.
give me money.
No, me buy it. Me give you the money.
Just give me the money, sister, me wait one month.
Yeah, give you money if you just go over there and come back out and go back in again. Too much work that. Just go on, man.
So me not have money. Else anything I know do then me not move. Me know that sex or no sex else me not move because me not have
No,
money.
just Lord. You have money in your pocket, but
Alright.
buy one drink. You change your pocket buy one back juice. Yeah? So come back here now. But I have a careful video.
And I come back, man. Don't know. I'm not ready.
I take a long door.
And my brother is stubborn.
So I'm going, man.
So I want.
Yeah, you look sick. You look sick again.
I can't say that's why.
No, man. So, how is everything going?
Well, everything will go on good, but when you come over here for your work, because brother just gonna shop and buy one drinks to come back.
I see every last time, like every time you come over and watch me, but
I
anyway.
feel like I hear my watch and I hear my watch and I watch here.
I'm watching this star. I can't start that.
No, because you must say you want somebody because I think you can't get no girl, but we can't get one.
Oh.
So, and you're lonely, not nobody.
Alright, come over then before. Alright.
Then come
Look.
Babes, you can't fight too. No, sir.
Just, yeah.
Toga. Daily General.
Oh.
Not come with. Hold on.
Oh.
Babes. If I never know this, I can't. Wait, I'm sure I fix the close to. I get ready and go. Pull up.
I'm going to do dinner.
Daily man. I'm not going, man. Again, they are much of
You man, the one I'm married, the one that daddy. The one that everything. I want to do my lazy or so. I depend on her. Everything I depend on her. The wash, cook, clean, everything is it. The one there, I'm married the one there, you see me? Because she do everything I tell her, she do everything daddy me, so we get lazy. You know me as a man, me run go down, if me sick, they have flu can't hold me, because me a go up and down, me a sweat, me a walk up and down all day, me a play football. Me can't do them things there again, you see it? But I do so life sick that already. So you, me not see you no woman daddy. How me a go?
Yeah, me agree.
Alright. Let's stay safe on the road, yeah? Alright, yeah.
Big up.
Alright, yeah, man. Big up.
See that? They not talk about you. So if you're a woman, I don't see you nothing yet, daddy. Where you stay in a virgin life?
No,
Yeah.
no, man. You know that already every woman me look. Is that me
Like,
can't get none of them.
them nice. You see, me come out that sweat. Every
So-
day me I release aisle.
So where do you forget
And I
woman?
want
Me
to-
don't understand. You have to tell me. I don't know.
Alright.
How you look at woman? Like when I first see
You
her.
just go up to a girl and tell her you like them.
Like me just go to a
Yeah.
girl and say,
Alright.
I like you.
But them call lyrics. Lyrics, them look a bit like them. Like say you that say you're fatter than that and really sexy and you understand?
You just give me something over tell them, mama. So
Alright.
like if me see a girl and I say, hey. And I say, hey, beautiful.
Alright, so you can walk up to a girl and say, hey beautiful, how are you doing today? I'm Onique or whatever, I'm Puppy Dan. You understand? They say, alright, me Charlotte or what? You start getting a conversation from this. You start getting a little joke.
Me think me know.
The eyes them beautiful.
Yeah, man, me think me know
and
for the
star.
man. Me deal with the man. I deal.
You see now, listen.
No, man, me think you just give me an idea. Me I deal with it.
Make sure you deal with daddy.
Yeah, man, I shot my father and I say me I come get a check
the
first.
eye laying on your back.
I say me I come get a check first. I say myself. And I'll get it into sugar.
Alright, let's see I heard them. Kid.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hi, beautiful.
What, me a good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
So we're going?
Nothing. You're good, right?
Yeah, I'm a good man.
Alright. Outside there, go.
Me a good on funny shop.
Me say something. I'll come here. Yo. Just see girl a while ago, brother.
You get the
Girl I
number?
like. No, I don't get the number.
Daddy. What do you mean you don't get the girl number?
I see her and I tell her, when you say me to tell her, I see her walk past, I say, hey, beautiful. And she asked me, say, is me good? And I tell her, I say, yeah, me good. But I don't know what next she say. What next me say?
Tell her say you like her.
Hurry up, because she
I
did
don't
shopping.
want her number or something. Just tell her say you like her. Friend tell her say you like her. You sealess and she like. If she like your back, you seal.
So tell her something like her, just that alone.
Yeah.
Tell her something like her.
Yeah, just tell her say you like her. Like, go on, man. You're in a virgin life too long, you know.
No worry about me, sir.
Alright. Change the swag though. Cause you have a swag there, no good.
Around a minute, I'm going to come back and if I'm saying I come back, I'm going to meet back at the shop. So,
You get a more on this is so me go
no,
and
say, tell you the truth, like, you look beautiful though, and I like you.
why you play around? You play enough cause me always like it, but you always move like in a serious so I don't know. Alright, hello. Let me see you next time I talk to you because you look nervous right now. So next time when I come down and thing, I talk to you here. So tomorrow or so I'm gonna see you again.
Alright.
That better not be a brother, you know. What do you say? I'm not keep one time for see book. Me I call if you like film style and I believe me. But I can't wait to see it again though.
So now I'll come back later.
We make it now.
Alright.
I hope you feel better. Hello, me make you feel better still, but you know what I mean?
Yeah. So
Take care.
you just have to go now.
I'll do that.
My boyfriend gone.
What happened to you? You look so.
No, I don't want to talk now. I'm going in there, so we'll cool off and water fresh now.
You never understand for that, you know?
Right.
Still something from yesterday. When I come in, you never look happy. Oh, I really did go on. I really did go on with you. What happened to you?
You just need to get to finish done talk to one girl I like, so you did check off my deal.
But in my real life still, you know, say, any if you have a woman, because you can't live like this for the rest of your life. And you're big enough, to have a woman by your side.
See, you don't understand. At those times, like every girl who I talk to, it's like they turn me down. Every girl who I try to look for going or something with them, I don't have to look. So, look, I'm just stay single.
You're not talking to them right to you. Trust me, I tell you. Me a girl and I understand and I know what you talk about. Because enough boy me turn down as well.
So now that's why you there for me and my sister.
Though more if you do it after your own. That more if you do.
Me not
Just try be strong and know how to put in your lyrics then. How to talk to a girl. It will work, trust me.
alright then, sis.
And next thing you're gonna too shy. And that'll beat your body. You're too shy. And if you're more brave and broad, you can just step to a girl and say, you know, so I like it. See, like, I'll give you an example. Like, for example, you walk and a girl walk and come your way and say, just step up to the girl and say, well, go on. Mama, you know, so I like it, this, that. Put in two nice words. Compliment her, so she look nice and ask her name, if she do tell her name. If or some of them girls them face it. Some of them never tell them name. They just have to go and bear with that and just go and put in some chat till you can't give up so fast. See a girl you like, right? So do you, man. Even if I see her again, just try to put in a stronger word. Maybe you will get her. You hear me I say?
Hmm?
You hear me I say?
Yeah.
No bother. Cause I'm here chat, but not repeat again, you know. Just try to put in a stronger word to the girl you say I like. You can't give up so fast. And most of them girls now go, or most of them might like you know, but they might play hard to get. So just play hard with them, said we. You can't just say you like them and then after them play hard, they just give up. You can't give up so fast. If you say you don't really like them, then most of them must say you're a player. You don't want them to just play with them. Because if they really want them, they would have push for day with them. I would have done them in ears sting like a mosquito.
Alright, so come. I'll check somebody and come.
Alright. If I do see the girl again, as we say, put in your word. Do your word for you. That's all I can say.
Oh. How going?
There.
How do you?
Like, yo, this between me and the girl, it just kind of stress me out. Because you know, say, I look at her and I can't get her. I don't know what to talk to her about yesterday. I don't know what to talk to her. After yesterday, I tell her I like her. Tell her I like her and she said to me, say, yo, like, I don't know why she said, like, me turn up on me under one next, she said, like, me blank. And she just say, you know what, I move nervous. Next time you see her, me talk to her. That she said to me. So I don't know why she said right now.
See where you can do. Just look on her, observe her, what you like about her, you tell her.
So what if you tell her?
What you like about her?
Like, she thick and nice.
She's sexy and nice, you can't say alright then. I like her sexy and nice. She likes it nice and your eyes just entice me.
Alright, so you want to forward me then and tell me what to say?
No, I can't come with you. You have to go and man up your thing and do it.
So tell me, say next time she may see her, me and her we talk, I'm nervous. Then she leave it for her next day then. So what if I say to her? I tell her something like her. What if I say to get her? Say she be my woman. Why is it I say?
Get her number and then start text.
So I see her now, I just tell her I want her number.
Yeah, man, your number and stuff.
So when you not out to the code, what kind of conversation you and her talk about?
You have to make up a conversation. We can talk about sex. And we can talk about, alright then, we can get to know each other more. Like, what color you like, what you like eat, which part you like go. Certain things you don't know about her, because you don't know about her. No. Yeah, them things you don't know text about until you start getting a relationship. Until you're ready, you know enough about each other and say, alright then. I think it's time now for you to start taking things serious.
So that if you say to her?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you mean?
Yeah. But make sure you get your number, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yo, I want to live like a you know, I want to be jealous, you know, because I can't get no girl, you know. Every girl I try to look there and turn me down. I don't know, I can't no girl for myself.
Just say what, as long as I do what I tell her to do.
So,
yeah,
so if I do that, I can be a jealous, so.
Yeah. You can do more than a girl. Alright.
gone so far for? Can't come here so long. Just come and say no only day we say morning or evening now.
Morning.
Morning.
You know some of that like to get your phone number though.
You're just ready to ask me for my number.
Because I don't want to get to know more about it.
Well, that's not possible right now because all of them time when you look me, I did single. And I did wait for you to make you move because I did like you, you know. But I'm not going to just jump in and say you have to come to me and tell me you want my number. And you never did. So, I kind of find somebody else right now who look like they're more serious. Somebody else. You never look serious, so they have play around anything. So, I move on. So, I'm sorry about that still. Maybe next time. But you will find somebody else out there, man.
So I don't have a chance.
Alright, tell you the truth, if the person don't serious, so you start a chat, but the person look very serious. He look serious, he's serious about me. I'm serious about him. I do like you, and I like to never tell him I like you, but they never make no move. They dey play shy.
Alright.
So we can still be friends though.
Alright. You don't even know what my dog. What? No. I go to the girl out and I tell her that I want her number to start something serious. And she tell me, say, yo, I waste time because she'd like me wrong time. But now I make somebody take a chance. I'm stressed out, you know. I'm taking it.
Let me tell you, you waste too much time, buddy.
Right, I'm stressed out, you. I can't believe it. You come like, I don't know you. You can't get no girl, you would. Yeah, laugh, you would. You know, I go through me, I go through like I have a whole heap of woman, you know.
I don't laugh. Yeah. So you go to back of it. You can't get no one night.
So all of that come in here. I know all later tell me, say, yo.
Everything I tell her, like, I forget to know. So if you did listen from me first, when you go to her, you would have get her ready. You understand? You would have get her ready. We tell her change up the swag. This not hurt, daddy, this. You have this. This not really big yet. Not really big still, but this cut down from that, daddy. That's it. At this point, the best option I can get right now, okay. If you take a buy from Bridge, or back road, go on a Portmore, go buy the back road, yeah? Because me I give so much something if you say, and you don't get through, you don't forget no pum pum then. You don't forget nothing then. Because if you go, you come back. You go, you come back. Then now you go, she don't sing this. The salt. You got a river? When last you got a river? Cause, boy, once that is the point, so you better you go by front or back office. Watch pouring and stuff and back office. That's the only thing, cause you not get in front. And the aisle store in your back, you might get in your head.
Yo, look more at that. Before you try, encourage me to do
no,
that.
No, I do. I encourage you to do something else.
You have to get front, brother. More have a woman and me.
You can't get in the front now. So you do what you need to do. You have money, you go spend your money, you get to use that. You know if you have.
Good, man. Good.
They like you. Very,
good, man. I go back up here, go to all the medicine.
Just think about it, man.
Look, come on,
the best
man.
option that you know. You are like a score up till you overflow in your head.
face, man. Bright though.
Just because I see you.
No, man. I'll feel every day.
You're not for the road. Like always. Just stay in the yard.
So if you don't, nah, you don't. So you know how come back for now, not sure?
No.
Oh.
If you get what I call over here, for?
You still have to feel pain?
You know one way, but not much.
You don't feel more pain. Alright, come on. Hold the motor and feel like I'm like.
Why? Put on them clothes.
Sis! Sis! Sis!
What's your problem?
Well,
Imagine. You see you? There's no way you can come here and see you do something. I mean, I beat on the door. You come and come here, things are going, what can I just come back and go on where you come from, man?
you just come out naturally, you look nice, I don't know.
You piss you in your mouth. Eh?
Which one are you?
You must remember, excuse. Yeah.
So, I'm going, man. This one go with me.
Me call you later here.
Alright.
Say me come. You see where me come?
Me talk, come.
You just not like you don't have no sense. Me a come. What your problem?
You don't understand shit, me stress out there.
Me stress too. I can't interrupt my moment. Me stress.
So what's feet to say? Look sexy in that shorts, you know.
Me stop you in your mouth. I know where you chat. Because me hear anything, we are sister and brother. We are siblings.
You don't understand how me I go through right now. Me come to
Me I
talk
got
to
you
you
enough
about
too,
something.
sorry.
So you know what hear me I say, right?
What I say?
Don't sit down and say me I talk. Right, me I tell you, I've been a look this girl from when I can't get her. You see me, I go to her, I don't know what next to say to her. You see me? Every time I go to her, I'm blank. Now I go to her today, I have something to say. She tell me, say, all along I waste time and she did want me. So I never take her serious, so she finds somebody else serious, so I don't know one chance.
So all of you get you find somebody else.
That's yes, me I drink rum and I want to try to ease my pain because right now I'm stressed out.
Just try
I
to
don't
get
know
somebody.
want to me come like me sad like no
I
girl
know
no want.
salt. You just don't know how to talk to a girl. Just try to get somebody
You
else to
can't
talk
do
to.
one of your friend them or so.
That next to me, I know a friend. I don't want TikTok video. I don't look up on TikTok and look shabby. But no one did a video. Me can't believe you just do that. See, me became so all along when my boyfriend there, you have a grudge against him, right? And you have something with me. Why me you choose to rape me, your sister, you know? Unless you don't even shame about it.
You know,
Yeah, no, of course me understand. So all along me man there, right? How we have good time. I'm jealous. And you just can't take it no more. You just decide to rape me, not true?
Take time that now, man. Make people here no see. You don't understand. Because me I go through.
Oh, we have
And
got
me
you.
can't hold it no more. Me drink and me get drunk. You don't understand. So me could hold it no more.
You drink and you get drunk, so you take you out for me. Me tell you this now. You're not going to stay here with me.
If you know something, I love you already. Me no want to
If
tell
either
you.
you go choose, either me call the police for you, or either you come out of here completely and find somewhere else to stay. But I'm not stay around me because this is not going to be a second time I get for rape me. Do not touch me for me slap you in your black face. Don't touch me.
You don't understand. I throw me drunk.
Throw your junk, eh? Throw your junk. You ever see me drunk and me try to rape you off? Eh? Me ever do that yet? Come out of my face. Come out of my face. Come out of my face.
Come on.
Come out of my face. And I'll come back. You look a peasant. Look where you really do, you look a sister. To your big sister. Look where you really do. Honey, someone here, honey goat. Come out. Out. I don't want to see you back. Me not want to see back your big old black face. Come back in here again, you will see. Come here, help boy to get a good woman. You really do this?
Alright now. So alright, so now that that room there is that urgent, you say one room, you have to move in that room immediately, right?
Yeah, man.
So see room there. You know what I mean? We have enough help per room. But me tell you that I get to you your motivation skill now, so come let's say I push out go do no work really. You understand? You have to find a work though. You understand? Find a work and find a woman daddy. You see up and down with a friend them. Me know what to say now, well your friend them I get woman, you know. Or you not get none, you know. You understand? So I don't understand that. So look at that here in the back to that first year school. Oh, what's school today?
Good.
Huh? Where you go to school to do? Huh?
The teacher wants to do my when she was.
No, you're not going to school tomorrow because they say you do good today. But where you go to school for? You don't know? You don't know no? You better know so you go to school for learn. For what? Learn. Alright? Come on to be bright, right? What me say if you do? If you what? Alright. And then you must be bright, right? Alright, that will work.
I respect for your opportunity if you make me go and stay in
Yeah man, go and run off for ends man, because we never need it. We have all up a place now, daddy. When I'm young, like I have 3 years, I'm going to
yeah, get no woman, I understand.
Daddy, me tell you one thing, daddy, we block your future from getting a woman. Yeah, think too much. Man never born for think, man born for do things. You know, you think too much. The more you think, the more everything I think. So nothing, just do what you have to do. Survive, we have to survive, right? That is it. I can't tell you nothing more. Just learn, watch movie.
You know, no woman them you can't give me.
No, my woman them, you not work, so they not gonna look for you. You see if you get to work now, you know enough of girls will take you up. You know what I mean? Because they go want them things. They go want soap to wash themselves. And then go want roll on. They go want things to eat. And if you not provide them things, they not go good, you know? But you have the ends there, furniture ready, just go and use it for the time being. But me no want, like them say, don't give a youth a fish. Teach them to fish. You understand? But you not win a fishy argument so much, that's why I don't give you a fish. I give you a room. Right? So the next thing you learn now is how to find a woman and take care of a woman. But first you have to do, find a work first.
Then we find a woman.
Then you find a woman. If you have to sell, you know what, you go sell panty on the roadside. Panty and brassiere. A woman you have to deal with straight through, you have to find one. One of them must come there with parts and then single. You start give them free panty. Every day give them free panty. Want free panty? Free under. One of them put on in think boy yo. Maybe go take off it.
I talk to one day, I go to her today and they just come like I want bad news, make it share, tell me so I been a waste time saying find somebody see you.
Yeah, that is it. So you learn, that's one lesson you learn because every girl is have to learn. You have to get rejection, you have to get turned down.
I don't get it.
No, you want to be. So you learn the first rule of getting rejection. Rejection is normal. It make you push harder. And what you do in the first part, don't do it again. So whatever you waste time with, no waste time with next time. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So do what you have to do still. But you may say now, ensure say you get to work. Keep the place clean. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Like when you look, man.
Don't follow the boy them, because them have them ways of getting woman. For them rub with aisle. I mean, no, rub is some of them aisle rub in aisle, and we say life is still a rub. So some of them rub on with aisle. So then walk past the girl and look on the girl, so the girl then get weak. Then they start laugh. So they know if a Spanish side and Spanish side, whatever. But anyway, that is for next time. We're not getting no ideas. Eat your food. And when you get a good woman, don't cheat and don't eat. Go on the road.
Like that. You push the plate down. Oh Lord. Hello.
Sister.
What one?
You know, say I talk to you though.
Boa.
I know say you not go on and on talking with me because of what happened yesterday, but you get one place to stay.
That's nice.
But
Good
when I like you
news.
say forward and let me talk about it. Talk about what happened.
Who you want to come here? You must be mad.
No, it's an open place, man. So don't worry about that.
Open place? Yes, an open place.
Let's come
And
with
you
me and
rate me
talk.
off.
Let's come with me and talk, please.
Alright then, me chance, but me not gonna come exact now because me have something I do. And my boyfriend I come over. So, you know.
You send your location on your phone here. Alright.
You can ask the same.
Go on over there. Yeah, I say nothing.
Not nothing.
No man, normally I be a laugh upon chatting, so how you know so?
Alright. Well, me have something to say to you, but me not want to say it to you. Okay. It will cause an argument, but it worth it. You mean to tell me, say, yeah, chat up with Gabriel, and you know, say, me and her and a friend.
Who shut up to Gabriel?
Yeah, look her.
What look Gabriel?
Look here. Yeah, lower my standards in the streets, you see me? Because you can't say me, they mean that the girl is no friend, and you chat up to her, she feel like say my man want her.
But that I first thing before accuse me should have asked, can me not chat up to Gabriel? Bro, if me see her and say hi, that's enough. Who I tell her then something there?
First thing first, my friend not tell me no lie.
Oh, so a friend get in your head and tell her that?
Look here, it's not about friend get in my head and tell me that. It ain't in the streets. Me hear people that talk about it.
Talk about it.
I me look like an idiot. That's what I me feel like an idiot. Like say me a clown. But they say with you. I had to talk other girl out the road. Not like this style.
No, that's I think no, me there so every day. So what kind of time would I get to do that?
What kind of
time would I get to out the road at this? Or chat up to other people?
Me and I live together, so you have plenty time.
Me and I live together, but you have to call this we live on the phone together. Anytime I left us on the call and we live on the phone for more than 20 hours if I drop asleep and me and you. So what kind of time would I get to chat up? Have some would have brave feet. They can call with you over your son and say, Brittany, hold on, I get a call.
You make
no,
look here. Sometimes when I go bed or so off, I don't call with you. I don't call with you. So maybe I get time. Then the time there, if you call her and them stuff there, or chat up to her time when I take a walk home from my yard.
So hold on.
You see her on the road.
Hold on. You feel like say, me I live on call every single day. And as me I jump off a call, before me go say, alright, I go take a walk or go beach or something, I go on for my next call or something I love
Here
phone.
Here they know, go beach, not true. Yeah, who?
Exactly, me and who? Me I not go beach, so me and other woman go beach.
Eventually.
No, nothing like that. But I never do that. And you know, right, me feel always you even accuse me of that, but me glad you talk your mind. But me don't nothing like that. And anybody got to tell her that, me then come with proof next time.
Tell the truth, I don't know if it's sad to believe, but I think me I go forgive you.
You can't forgive me, you just have to know say I don't saw you go.
Me don't know if I saw you go or
if
not.
If I did forgive me, I tell us I saw you go. Forgive me, none at all.
No, me just say something. If I saw you go or if I don't saw you go, me just forgive you.
Yeah, well, believe me.
Look here, enough of that. Well, my brother did call me today and say mom come check in. You see me? So I'm going to look in today.
Today?
Yes.
Alright then.
I'm not saying I live here anymore because no, in the my family then. You know, so we need space and stuff. The next thing, so. I'm going to look for him. The thing, look at what time. I'm not really want to go leave because I want to come back. 3 or 5, I think I leave out now. And then next, I leave out now.
It makes sense. Do that then.
Yeah, come with, walk with me same time. I don't see one.
Let me follow you up on the road. I'll come back over.
Come on.
Alright.
What's that? Debs. I don't feel nothing.
What do you mean by you don't feel nothing?
No, me not in that the way they be.
Oh.
Every time you just come over, you just sex and then gone. Me not feel the connection. I feel like you're sex alone.
No, no. I don't like that. I don't like that.
What do you mean I don't like that?
I just like, I can't enjoy myself. I'm see every day.
If somebody came me out and say, make me go this or I do something.
You want to make it, figure out. That's the way I feel.
You can't buy me 2 roses one day. I can't come and see 2
I'm not
roses on the bed.
Valentine yet.
You not have to be Valentine's. You just boring swan Liam. Every time I come dig out me and they will say, they will look at breakfast and they will make corn give me. Me just gone on my yard so. You didn't even call me and ask me if I eat them, there's something they chop up for me.
Me call you, I'm saying please call me, you know, call me back.
So for when me just take care of credit on your phone, if me not call him, me not hear from you, I saw you stay.
Babe, you know my thing for already.
Every day me come here, if a night.
You want your friend?
What do you mean give you one of my friend them?
One your friend?
Look here. If you say I play me in our relationship, you ask me friend. Oh, give me one of your friend them.
What?
Give me, if I want to come over here, give me him.
No, yeah, the one. No.
Matter of fact, let me go chat to him. How if you want one of my friend them?
One. I'm chatting with you. Come back and say one thing. I'm flattering.
So you ask me for one of my friend them. Listen to me not share my man. Mind what you talk to me. I can't ask me about friend.
So I make it on your friend them, not wrong with that.
Oh, you want one of my friend them? Alright. You go and go look them and don't chat back to me. Just know that. So, you're not happy with me. Me not satisfy you. You want friend.
Yeah, tell me say not happy. Not that you say.
Be me tell us
So
you
me say give
not
more your friend
treat me
like
like your woman. I know you come and ask me for one friend. When I want him
You
to
say
stay like real.
Fiso. No what you say to me no. No what you say to me. You hear me tell you?
Look here now, come put your hand on me.
No
Don't put
what
your
you
hand
say to
on me.
me.
Take it out of my face. A friend you want, me do
You
everything
say you
for
not
you.
feel the relation. So me say give more your friend them. Me say nothing wrong.
But you not treat me like your woman. You didn't even say babe, you didn't even call me B or anything. Me practically hide and left out to your place a morning time. Like say you have some other woman.
Me tell you to be hide. Or you want to go out early? Like you go check a man. Cause you want to leave early in the morning.
Because me
then.
don't feel comfortable here. Me sometimes feel like say you don't want me.
If me name want here, what you there? Me I go bring them.
Just see what in front of me you want. Every night over night I come and call my phone. Me here boy you know. Me here see a big girl like come here. And that's why I want one of my friend them. Eh?
Who tell you that?
Me here.
Who tell you that?
Rumors spread the road.
No
And you know say
rumors
people
can't
don't
spread
here.
about me because I go on road and I come back. Yes, so me come. Nobody no forwardness with me. So me don't know what you talk about.
Me know say I want orange boy in from first day me and start chat.
Man.
He don't respect me you. But wait. Me catch you with no girl yes. See what me do with you.
Swear they do.
You feel like some play?
You see me not laughing with them man. Like, listen what people out the road I say. Listen what people out the road I say. I mash up a relationship. Mash up a relationship, you know, come to another one.
Watch it out for me man.
Who that?
I mean.
Come in. Come in, office.
Who you want to come near to you? You're mad?
No, man, people there just stop talking about this.
I'm a whisper then.
I'm gonna make people here just don't sit down and man.
Who you want to come near to you? The last time I raped me, now I get for rape me again. I mean, not even a lot that they do it. That me I try to tell you.
Sis, just stop no man. I just consider make me a talk. I'm tell us me a talk. Just leave that to happen for another day, no man.
You go over there, so me sit down there, so. More than near to you do. So if anything for grab, me just run. If I just that for go on, just that for go on. So you go over there, so please. Run with me. What's your problem?
Listen, I just apologize to you because I'm really sorry about what happened. You see me? I'm really sorry about what happened yesterday. You see me? I mean, I may never make that
You
happen
sorry?
again.
You sorry?
Because
Yes, we should have that in your intention to do it at first. You never have to do it.
you don't understand I just what me I go through is like nobody in the world at all love me. Like me can't get nobody, you don't understand me.
You know, say you did have me love at first, a sister love, but you just break the bonding. You know that, right? You only did that woman in your life, and you don't get it, you take it out on me.
But you don't understand when people stress.
Me stress whole heap of time, whole heap. Ask you a question, I stop you drinking and them stuff there.
Sister, stop talking about this, man. Me not even
ask-
remember
yeah,
about that,
you
man.
drink
You
rum
just
for-
bring up about that,
Shut
man.
up no man, me chat no. You drink rum for a morning?
No drink no rum, you would.
Oh,
Not
yeah, if
even
me
remember
never
about
hear,
that.
yeah. I threw the door them again.
So yeah, try to say.
Cause the last time I drink rum, I hold me down like this and it just... And things just happen.
So you tell people because
Who,
you
me?
like you been a talk about it like
But
what?
talk about it to myself. To myself. I don't say anything to nobody. Cause if me ever say something to somebody, she knows that gone worldwide. Everybody hear about it. You not about the right, so right now. I tell her that.
Well, I just call if you apologize to you. Isn't it? More people can't get back your banner out of that. Because I don't like how you have right.
You mad? You mad?
People deserve
If-
second
shut
chance. You really think would I do that
You
again?
know, what you do? No second chance for that. We can still be sister, brother. But the battle they used to have to sleep in a one bed and up there, so that break. I say people don't understand how easy. So, you stay there, feel like I say, oh, no, it don't work. Like my sister said, me understand why you go to get no money yet.
No, I get no
You just
money.
walk this so. Yeah, you don't have to open your mouth and chat. When they cuss me, you don't have to open your mouth, but one time if you look at woman, I don't have to open your mouth. You?
Alright, sis.
Alright, sis. So you had to run me now?
I'm not running. I just don't make you know which family I'm just to apologize, but you play hard.
You don't need to tell me.
You can't blame me if you play hard still, but I just say it.
Look here, you don't need to make me know which part today because I'm not coming here.
So you don't care about your brother, you're not going to look if your brother good?
No, me can't call her. Over phone, I want 1 million and rape me. But in front,
I say people there take time and stop talk about raping them, man.
over phone, you know, get for rape me. But if me come close to you, you rape me. I don't know if I'll drink up a bag of rum and call me over here. Just trap me in this. I'm not in that. No. I do love you as a brother, but I make that gone. The love of me they have for you, you just gone.
Alright.
You look stressed out, though. It makes sense. If you go rape, I'm not the man on the road, but I go rape a sister already. You do a bad thing. I put back on the motor a DVD, I watch you. I will get DVD.
No, my place, so I'm a virgin just give me a to go and sleep.
So I find this here, I will have to lean up. You live a good life come for this, not true? Oh man. If I never do that, never feel like say. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you a little, but no worry. After what you do,
Sister.
you deserve this.
Sis,
Yeah.
let's go on. Can you talk
Don't
about
if this
it?
your
Stop
work.
talking about it in a 6 months. Go on, man.
No, Titi, please, I'm funny at work. I will close this. Because I said, me, come on. What have I see? What's that? I'll do make your hand be a wife. Here, if I can't find a wife, use your hand them. It will work.
Will you marry me?
Yeah, joke, right?
Will you marry me?
Alright. Tell the truth, no disrespect, but I don't think we're ready for that yet. The both of us, I don't think we're ready for that. We have a future to live for. And the next thing, we have a lot of things to accomplish. You can't think about marriage as yet. And as I mentioned, so we're still young, right? You hear me?
But I mean, I expect that, you know. But
No, I'm not saying.
no,
Like,
no,
the
I
long
understand,
road.
I understand. But if you don't want to marry me, that just means you don't love me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
And
no.
you feel that way
Yeah,
about that.
it-
But
the-
tell her everything good.
You can't feel now we're not taking you
Yes,
around
me
with
and
you.
I'm home. Cool off. So if anything, we sorry.
But I can't
But
take
pick up yourself just to see him. Yeah.
Yeah. See when I something here? How does that feel? Okay.
You know what I do? Yo.
Are we fair done there? Phone said black. I'm a father over there, because I'm there, I'm a dog, I'm not nothing to do.
No really want to waste money over here still, no car. Yeah, from my boy, just don't mix one chang back and go on easy. That's it.
Yeah, be like for the foolish so. I'm a father over there.
Alright, I'm forward then for the ends, man. Yeah. But no girl. You never drink before, your blood wet so boss.
How you got that, brother?
You can't have your pie, no?
Then I get my fun friend there. Virgin boy.
Yo,
brother,
nah,
no, you
get
get
no
no
front. Nah, get no front.
Dog.
Think somebody's a tongue back.
Nah, get up from it in the
Chang
thing
back.
as can't belly.
What?
What's wrong back?
You know,
What's wrong back?
before you drink this, I tell you,
You can't manage, you can't
if you don't have a woman and go home to daddy,
If you know you're not getting up
take
front,
none.
leave it alone.
Because take none of this, and you go home and get nothing. If you
Yo,
stand up
yo,
in
if
the
you're reaching this, I'll go into a BM.
That's
I
a
drift
BM.
right drifting hard. Drift? No,
all
sir.
3 hours we are walk.
3 hours.
No something to do, man.
Pressure.
No something to do, man.
The sure,
No something, man.
Man, you get 2 bars. Low it.
daddy.
If you know you can't manage your left.
Alright, good. Drink up everything.
Can't see
Turn
when
the
you
cup on
want
your
it.
head.
Can't see when you
Go on,
want
no
it.
man. Turn the cup on your head, no
Yeah,
man.
boss you.
Up,
Which man that say something?
up,
Big belly boy, man.
up. Alright, alright. Yeah, man, that would
How you
be.
feel? You feel chang? Hmm?
You good.
Feel like you're on front?
Some more, no?
Yo, me feel that's a good idea. That's all. You want more? Hey. Hey, man.
Good.
Watch
Alright.
you know. You see if you can't get in the front later, what fear you have,
I
man.
think that we're not sure if you are getting.
You know you're not getting. What they have
Don't
got?
know, dear.
Yeah, man, you
Daddy.
chang back.
How long you have
Get one girl
How
now.
much?
Listen.
You have
Watch you know.
virgin for 17 years.
I'm 17.
Bombard. Yeah, how much?
17.
Yeah, how much?
I'm 19.
But that
But
verse.
watch you know. Look on you. I say if we can't get a girl.
19 years.
Suppose, watch you know. If you look girl for your own, you not get them. If we give you, they not going to run for you.
No, I only know set the link to better. I just want to give me a girl. One bad girl who has to just come in to just take off
Poor
clothes and we
thing.
start sex. Me can't chat to
What
girl,
happened?
brother.
You know the sex girl?
For a sex girl.
What is sex girl?
Boy.
You don't know.
Just push it in it.
Which one?
Hmm?
Which one? Yeah.
Remember when I tell you say I two hole the top hole or bottom hole?
Which one you put it? Which one you put it?
Daddy. You need some lesson.
Alright, we don't put him back way. Which one of them you put it? Top or bottom? Eh? Just say one now. None of them no right. You look confused. Anyway,
I'm not saying I really.
Yeah.
How sure they put it in?
which one you have to put in? Use your common sense.
Me don't know.
No, just use your common sense. Which one?
You
Top
think
or
the two of
bottom?
them can use?
Brother, I know I laugh, brother, I know me don't know nothing, brother. I want to
Yeah.
feel a piece from
No,
brother.
sir. I don't
Me
want
say,
to
me
drink
get a girl.
somebody.
If you get a girl, me not shame myself, dog.
Chadja.
Me just want to know, say when I get a girl, I know I don't want to do is, me don't want you come and tell me in the say girl.
Daddy,
I'm
if
all
you
out.
rule one, don't use the tongue. That's a rule one. If you go cross rule one, you can't help
You
it
can't
again.
help you, you can't help you.
Feel the energy, you know.
You hear me,
no
sir?
girl can't give me.
Huh?
Feel the energy, you know. No girl can't give me.
Yo, give money, bro. Let money,
Daddy. Alright.
bro. Film one look nice.
No worry, me have an idea. Me know me have one girl.
Where you go?
I have one girl, man.
Go
How worry
back here,
yourself,
go
man.
Daddy.
Me have one girl,
I
man.
let the boy
I'm back here,
over.
go back this.
Now go back a fish.
Back this.
No, me
boy.
have the man. Look him up.
Alright, go and go home to Miss Palmer.
Hey, Miss Parker. Yo,
Good
yeah,
job.
good job, man.
Boy.
Bo, sure.
Sis.
Oh, senor. Hello, Mr.
Hey, man.
The person I even come in, must have said, do not come back in the
Me
yard.
about this yesterday, so why you exonerate?
And do I care? Me not tell you not come back here. Eh? Go on, go back through the door. No, go back through the door.
Put in a short skirt, though.
I said to where they are chat about, go back through the door. Come out. Out!
Come
on,
man.
I cannot understand when time is Leave! Hey, make me close on that coat. The dirty boy, you come back to rape me again. Eh? After I run away from my place, you come back again.
Hey, what's going on here? Oh, what happened to him? Wait, want you. Babes, don't make a kill him. What to him? What happened?
You made me tell you that boy come up and rape me. I'm gonna get rid of that body.
You want to rape her?
Yes.
Go get rid of that. Babes, don't come on, you boy, brother, man. I always stay off one bad feeling. Hold on.
You're a chap, my children brother with him big old dirty self. Come up. God, don't you wait for this. Don't me I'll take him up now. Come on, don't pull him.
I always have one bad feeling about it. So sorry. You not get to touch her.
No, I think you're ready for you're ready to do it. So. Come, no, man, if you hurt for nobody, come here, no man.
Just come here, son. Nobody can know about this, man. All if we left, nobody can know about this. It's a serious problem.
I'll keep it as a secret.
Alright.
Oh God. Look here, I see this dog. Look here. As I said before, no matter if you break up, this can't mention none at all. Nobody nothing know about this. Only between the two of we. You understand, right?
Nobody know over here about our work.
And back to where you come to me about the marriage and stuff. Based off of everything I just experienced, what you do for me, I think I'm ready. The marriage, and we'll take the relationship further and achieve the goals them. Try if we do what we have to do in our life.
Yes, when I move the whole earth for it, I read that you you just can't believe. Well, not even can't believe. Surprising with our year go to the extent for trying to rape you. Like, from here, come here. I must say, I come here and I tell us, you know, like, your brother watch me, you know, and then I tell him, say, you don't watch. You should have taken that as a sign to.
I tell us, I'm watch because, you know, I have nobody, me happy and him not happy. So basically, all of that.
Well, I'm gone now, so it's time for you to food.
Well, I'm happy and I'm sad at the same time. I'm really happy, but mostly sad because I'm one brother.
I understand that. I have one to sleep up with
Okay guys, so you guys have made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Big up on yourself, and what I want to do again is like, comment, share, subscribe. That is the key.
And remember, the subscribe is free. So as a Brittany did say a while ago, tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. I'm hoping to understand the story here, how we are push. The one name What's Next.
Okay.
Yeah man, so stay tuned. We'll eat more forward.
Next thing again guys, remember to go over to the couple channel, Brittany and Poppy, and straight to the world. Right.